Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy M12. So let's get started. On the front you can see the image of the phone with the name. And at the back, specifications like battery, camera and display are mentioned. So let's open the box. First, you can see this hidden lid with the SIM ejector tool placed at the back. And inside the lid we have documentations like quick start guide, regional lock guide and warranty card. Here we have this stunning Samsung Galaxy M12. At the back we have a 48 megapixel quad camera setup and Samsung branding at the bottom. The phone looks very stylish in this matte finish. Next, we have a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and a 2-pin wall charger with 15 watts of fast charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the Samsung Galaxy M12 box. I have with me Samsung Galaxy M12. The smartphone offers a 6.5-inch HD Plus display having a pixel density of 270 ppi with a refresh rate of 90 Hz. Samsung Galaxy M12 has a bezel-less notch display. On the right spine, you will find the volume rocker and the power button. The power button also works as a fingerprint sensor. On the other side, the phone has a SIM tray. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, 3.5mm jack and a speaker grill. Samsung Galaxy M12 comes with a quad camera setup. On the bottom, you will see the Samsung branding. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now let's get into the details about the internals. Samsung Galaxy M12 comes with a Samsung Exynos 8 octa-core chipset with 8nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 4GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 64GB, which can be further expanded up to 1TB. Samsung Galaxy M12 offers a 6000 mAh battery powered by a 15-watt fast charging facility. Coming to the camera aspects, the phone features a 48 megapixel quad camera setup and includes a 48 megapixel primary camera supported by a 5 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, a 2 megapixel macro camera and a 2 megapixel depth camera. Also, the phone offers an 8 megapixel front camera. The software version of the Samsung Galaxy M12 is Android 11 with Samsung One UI. So guys, that's it for Samsung Galaxy M12. Thank you so much for watching this video.